Superfoods for 2025. What to eat for a healthier life. Hey, health nuts! Welcome to our channel, and I am so pumped to be talking about superfoods today. Are you ready to level up your health game in 2025? Forget the old trends. This year, it's all about superfoods that will change the way you eat and feel. We're talking about foods so nutrient-dense, so packed with vitamins and antioxidants, that they're practically superheroes in disguise. And the best part? They're not just good for you. They taste amazing too. So if you're ready to feel more energized, boost your immune system, and maybe even get that healthy glow everyone's talking about, stick around. These foods aren't just buzzwords. They're power-packed with nutrients to keep you energized, fit, and glowing. Let's dive in.
Let's kick things off with something you've probably seen all over social media: sea moss. Yep, this ocean wonder is the latest craze, and for good reason. This stuff is like the multivitamin of the sea. I'm talking about a serious nutrient powerhouse here, guys. First off, it's packed with iodine, which is crucial for a healthy thyroid. Your thyroid is like the control center for your metabolism, so keeping it happy is key for energy levels and weight management. And hold on, we're not done yet. Sea moss is also loaded with iron, which is essential for healthy blood flow and carrying oxygen throughout your body. Ever feel that afternoon slump? Iron can help with that. But wait, there's more. We're talking over 90 essential minerals here, people. That means sea moss is also amazing for your skin, hair, nails, you name it. It can help with everything from boosting immunity to giving you that healthy glow we all crave. Now you might be wondering, okay doc, but how do I actually eat this stuff? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. You can find sea moss in different forms, but my favorite way to use it is to make a gel. Just blend it up with some water and boom! You've got yourself a versatile ingredient you can add to smoothies, soups, sauces. The possibilities are endless. It's got a pretty neutral taste, so it won't overpower your favorite recipes. Trust me guys, sea moss is more than just a trend. It's a sustainable, nutrient-packed way to upgrade your health game. So next time you're at the store, grab some sea moss and see the difference for yourself. You won't regret it.
Alright folks, next up we're diving into the world of tiger nuts. And no, they're not actually nuts. They're tiny tubers with a sweet, nutty flavor. Don't let the name fool you, these little guys are a nutritional powerhouse. First off, they're packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your gut. We're talking about keeping things moving and grooving, folks. A healthy gut means better digestion, less bloating, and even a stronger immune system. But that's not all. Tiger nuts are also a great source of prebiotics. Now, prebiotics are like the food for the good bacteria in your gut. They help those beneficial bacteria flourish, which leads to a happier and healthier you. And if you're struggling with sugar cravings, listen up. Tiger nuts have a naturally sweet flavor that can help satisfy those cravings without the sugar rush and crash. Plus, they're low on the glycemic index, which means they won't spike your blood sugar levels. Now let's talk magnesium. This essential mineral is often overlooked, but it plays a vital role in over 300 bodily functions. From muscle function to sleep regulation, magnesium is a key player. And guess what? Tiger nuts are a great source of it. Oh, and did I mention they're naturally gluten-free? So, they're perfect for anyone avoiding grains. You can enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on your yogurt or oatmeal, or even use them to make a delicious milk alternative. So there you have it, folks. Tiger nuts, small but mighty. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself.
Chapter 3. Moringa Powder, the tree of life that lives up to the hype. All right, health enthusiasts. Let's talk about a superfood that's been making waves for centuries. Moringa powder. This stuff is derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, which is often called the miracle tree or the tree of life. And trust me, it lives up to the hype. First off, moringa is absolutely loaded with vitamin C. We're talking about an antioxidant powerhouse here, folks. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system, healthy skin, and even wound healing. But hold on, we're just getting started. Moringa is also a fantastic source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. And unlike dairy products, moringa is plant-based, making it a great option for vegans and those with lactose intolerance. And if you're looking for a plant-based protein boost, look no further. Moringa powder packs a surprising amount of protein, making it a great addition to smoothies, soups, or even sprinkled on salads. But here's where things get really interesting. Moringa is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a whole host of health problems. Moringa can help combat that inflammation, making it a great ally for anyone dealing with chronic pain or stress. Now you might be wondering, okay doc, but how do I actually use this stuff? Well, moringa powder has a slightly earthy taste, so it's best to start with small amounts and gradually increase as you get used to it. You can add it to smoothies, soups, stews, or even sprinkle it on your salads or roasted veggies. So there you have it, folks. Moringa powder, a true superfood that's been revered for centuries. Give it a try and experience the power of the tree of life for yourself.
Chapter 4. Kefir water, the gut-friendly fizz that's taking over. Alright everyone, let's talk about a drink that's been bubbling up in the health world. Kefir water. Ever heard of Kefir? Well, think of Kefir water as its tangy, fizzy cousin. It's a fermented drink that's packed with probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that are essential for a healthy gut. Now you might be thinking, probiotics? Sounds familiar. And you're right, we talked about prebiotics earlier. They feed the good bacteria in your gut. Well, probiotics are the actual good bacteria themselves. They help keep your gut flora balanced, which is crucial for digestion, immunity, and even mental health. So what makes kefir water so special? Well, it's naturally fermented, which means it contains a wider variety of probiotic strains compared to some other fermented drinks. And the more diverse your gut bacteria, the better. Plus, kefir water is super refreshing and hydrating. It's got a slightly tangy, effervescent taste that's perfect for quenching your thirst on a hot day or after a workout. And the best part? Kefir water is incredibly easy to make at home. All you need are water kefir grains, which are like little scobies, symbiotic cultures of bacteria and yeast, that ferment the water and create that signature tangy flavor. You can find water kefir grains online or at some health food stores. Once you have your grains, just combine them with water and a sweetener like sugar or fruit juice and let them ferment for a day or two. That's it. You've got yourself a batch of gut-healthy, refreshing kefir water. And here's a pro tip. Once your kefir water is ready, you can add fresh fruit, herbs, or even a splash of juice to give it an extra flavor boost. Get creative and make it your own.
Chapter 5. Purple sweet potatoes. The vibrant spuds that are as tasty as they are healthy. Alright folks, let's add a pop of color to our plates with purple sweet potatoes. These vibrant spuds are not your average sweet potatoes. They're packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and a flavor that's out of this world. Now you might be wondering, what makes purple sweet potatoes so special? Well, for starters, they're loaded with anthocyanins. These are the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries and other brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Anthocyanins are like superheroes for your cells, protecting them from damage caused by free radicals. But that's not all. Purple sweet potatoes are also a great source of fiber, which we know is essential for a healthy gut. They're also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. And here's a fun fact. The deeper the purple color, the higher the antioxidant content. So don't be afraid to embrace those vibrant hues. Now let's talk taste. Purple sweet potatoes have a naturally sweet and slightly nutty flavor that's absolutely delicious. They're more moist and dense than regular sweet potatoes, making them perfect for roasting, mashing, or even using in desserts. Here's a pro tip. To really bring out their natural sweetness, try roasting them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So there you have it, folks. Purple sweet potatoes, a delicious and nutritious way to add some color and excitement to your plate. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself.
So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible superfoods that are sure to level up your health game in 2025. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It's all about finding delicious, nutrient-rich foods that you actually enjoy eating. Superfoods aren't just a trend, they're a lifestyle. So, what are you adding to your grocery list this year? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. See you in the next video.